What up, hooligans? I never start out any video like that, but I might start doing that because it feels kind of right. Hey guys, it's Jennifer, and today I'm turning into a booty guru. I'm no longer Generation DIY. Who is she? I am now Generation Beauty.
Wow.
I have so many brain cells to come up that I use to come up with that name. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look, this like summer, glowy, dewy, kind of everyday makeup look. What's this? I feel like a wave. Like a piece of seaweed in the ocean. So today's video is actually sponsored by CYO Cosmetics, and just in time because yo girl is a broke college student and everything in the CYO line is under $8, so all you broke college students and all you broke students in general can just grab all these products because they're actually really good. They're a high quality and affordable price, so you can save all your money and go to a Shawn Mendes concert. So CYO is here to save all our butts. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. In the next clip, you're gonna see me barefaced without any makeup, so please don't scream because what up, hooligans? I should probably clean that first. Okay, I am back. I cleaned. I also had lunch, so it's been a couple hours later. I might have a little lisp. Teeth are getting fixed. I'm here to show you guys my summer look, glowy goddess. I'm a booty guru. We already covered that. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start out with moisturizer because my skin is a crusty mess. Let's just moisture it up in here. No one says that. That's just weird.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Okay guys, I just have to say my lips were really dry, and so you know how when it gets dry it gets like crusty and peely, so I was peeling the skin off my lip and it started bleeding, so now every time I open my mouth to talk it starts bleeding again, and I know you guys really wanted to hear me say that and know about that whole situation, so you're welcome. Just thought you wanted to know. Next step is foundation. Blended it in with a brush. I'm trying to keep this look kind of natural and light and just glowy just because it's summertime and I want it to be light and not heavy. That is the opposite of light. So guys, let's talk. What's up? Really? I did not know that about you. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. What's that? You want to go to Hawaii? Oh, me too. This is what my life has resulted to. I'm literally talking to an imaginary person. It's kind of sad. Yo, I think we got a good base going. We're gonna move on to concealer. I'm whipping out my first CYO product right here. It's a highlighting concealer in Fair because apparently I'm very pale. It's the Brush with Brilliance one. You like click it and it comes out of the, yeah, okay. So I'm just going under my eyes and creating a triangle. I'm explaining this like I'm a beauty guru, but I really am not. But I've watched a good fair amount of James Charles. Yeah, I'm a beauty guru now, so fight me. Cool. Now, chin area. Click, click, hide those pimples. Taking a sponge and like blending this out. Whoa, this is a good concealer. Is this a friggin' joke? I actually look like I have good skin with this concealer. All right, now there's, whoa, what just happened to my brain right there? Now we're gonna set this with some setting powder because that is what you use to set your face. Ew! Because I want to create a glowy look, and this is what I usually do for my like kind of everyday look anyway, I usually only set right under my eyes so that like my mascara and like eyeshadow don't transfer to the bottom right here. And I don't do the whole baking thing because that just creates a really matte type of situation, and that's not what we're going for. And then I just set in my like areas I put more foundation and concealer, like my chin, because there's a little like ring of fire pimple situation going on there, so I just set that in place. Right here underneath the nose. The nose area gets kind of, you know, shiny too, so I'm gonna set that a little bit. And last but not least, a little bit on this like forehead area. Moving on to face, bronzer, contour. Yeah. I feel like I haven't ended a single sentence properly, and I've ended all of them with yeah. So, sorry if I'm annoying. I'm using this CYO lip and cheek stain, and I feel like this is a dupe for the Benefit Benetint, which is like $30 or something, which is freaking crazy. This is under $8 and I'm like, excuse me, am I gonna pay $30 for something that I can pay less than $8 for? No, because I am a broke college student. We already established that. We don't... It's actually kind of sad. Every time I use this, I'm like, it smells so good. It's like a cherry type of situation or something. Oh, just fruity goodness. So I'm gonna dot this on my cheeks right here and then just blend them out with my fingers. And it creates like a subtle glow. I actually prefer tints to like actual blushes because I feel like it looks more natural. Looks like you're glowing from within. Add a little more. I usually don't go too overboard on the blush, but I really like this product, so I'm gonna build it up. I am glowing. Am I allowed to say that to myself?
I don't know about you, but I think it looks good.
That's all that matters. Next up, I am using VCYO bronzing powder. I don't know why I am speaking in syllables. This is in the shade When the Sun Don't Shine, aka medium. All right, my dudes. Next up, we are going... Am I blurry again? Are you serious? Alright, now that we are in focus, so rude of my camera, by the way, and I'm gonna dip it in... Why am I explaining this? Let's just bronze it up. Alright, I go like in the... Whoa, so pigmented. We're just gonna go underneath the cheekbones, and I kind of do this like arc, become a sun-kissed goddess, you know? Woo! Woo! What is up with these sound effects, though? And I kind of do up in here, too, on the hairline because I kind of have a forehead. More bronzer. More. Bronzer is probably one of my favorite parts of makeup. Let's create a fake jawline because we all know I don't have one. Let's do eyebrows first because I feel like I'm a little bit naked right now. Now we are moving on to the eyes. Okay, so I have some really awesome CYO eyeshadows up in here. Okay, first I'm taking this matte eyeshadow in Nothing to It. I'm taking this crusty brush and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid to kind of create a base. Let's be real for a second, okay? I actually think CYO is such a cool brand because they have like so many products. This is just a few of them. Like I'm drowning in CYO products, and it's a good type of drowning. Like it's like it's like I'm a mermaid and I'm like swimming in products, you know? Did that make sense? There's so many ways you can layer them up and use them, and they have so many awesome colors for summer. And I feel like they're so high quality for like under $8, but you guys should definitely try them out. And you can get them at any Walgreens, Duane Reade, or Walgreens.com. I think you'll like them, guys. I really think you guys will like them. I'm really having a ball up in here, if you can't tell. I'm having a good time. And because they have so many products, you can create all these different types of looks. I'm gonna say it again, okay? Everything is under $8. Like,
are you kidding me?
Sorry, that was kind of aggressive. Okay, I'm taking this thinner, like, flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going back in with this, and I'm putting it under my eye to kind of balance it out a bit, you know? Alright, I'm just gonna build it up more on top of my eyelid. Alright, now I'm going into the Zone Out matte black eyeshadow. My brother has entered the room. I repeat, my brother has entered the room. I'm going into this black eyeshadow. I'm using this, like, pointy brush. Am I in focus? Guys, what if this whole entire video is out of focus? I'm like kind of blind, so I can't really see right now. I'm gonna be taking this and going into my like outer corner type of situation. So going on my outer corner slash lash line and to the other eye as well. Nice, beautiful, nice. Now that we have that on, I'm gonna do a little eyeliner action. I'm gonna use the CYO eyeliner marker pen in black, I guess. Eyeliner is kind of a tough thing for me and all other women across the world, so I feel you guys. This is super, super black. So the weather's nice, huh? It's really sunny here. You can hear the birds chirping. How about you guys? Like, what's the weather like, you know? Like, is it hot, cold? Medium? I don't know. Whoa, do you see that sharp wing? I can cut some diamonds with that. Guys, is this a freaking joke? Is this a freaking joke? Look at how sharp my wing is. Thank you, CYO. Udabomb.com. Alright, now I'm gonna just try to do the same wing on the other side, but it's probably not gonna be the same, so I'll catch you in a bit. Bye! By the way, I'm going to link down below all of these CYO products that I used in this video, so you can go check them out, because you totally should. I'm gonna go in with this CYO metallic eye stick in Sweeping Statement. It's this champagne color. I'm gonna put this in my inner corners to give that little glow, that summer glow. go. Ooh, wow. Inner corner and lower eyelid. Would you look at that? I hope you can see that because I'm glowing. I'm literally glowing. Okay, you know what? I'm actually not done with the eyelids. I just saw this beautiful blush in Tell It Straight, and it's like pink and has like gold flecks in it, and I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and I'm just gonna like pat it over my eyelid, add a little bit of color and add a little bit of glow. Nice, nice, nice. All right, now I'm gonna curl my lashes with a good old $1 eyelash curler. All right, I'm gonna top it all off with some mascara. I only ever use waterproof mascara because I cry a lot. Just kidding. It's just because my eyelashes don't stay up. With regular mascara, it's a thing that my eyelashes do that is super annoying. I feel like this is the hardest part of makeup because you've done all your hard work on your eyeshadow, and if you get mascara on it, then it's literally all over. All right, eyeball number 1 is done. Second eyeball is done. I need to get rid of this middle part. It's making me look like Miranda sings. Now all that's left to do is highlight and lips. I'm gonna do highlight first. For highlight today, we are taking, surprise, surprise, another CYO product. It is the bronzing and highlighting palette in the Clouds. Let me tell you a little story, okay? It's actually not a story. I used to not like fan brushes for some reason, and then I just started using one day because I lost my other brush, and I was like, fine, I'll give it a chance. And now I understand it. Like, I get why they're used. So I apologize for hating them in the past, but I am now a changed woman. So it looks like this. I'm gonna just blend all of them together, and whoa, that's a lot. People usually go like this, but I feel like it should be the other way because this creates the kind of arc that you're supposed to do. So I'm like, you know, I just do it my own way. So I'm gonna do this. Would you look at that glow? Wow, that is a good highlight. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Wait, I forgot to contour my nose. I will be right back. And there we go. All right. Back to our regular scheduled programming. Pick up some of this highlight and let's create a nose glow. Let's blind them, haters. I only really need to take a little bit of this because this is super intense. Down the bridge, I am blinding all the haters right now. All of them gone. All of them blinded. They all need glasses now. They all need LASIK eye surgery. Are you guys shook to the core? I shook myself to the core, I think. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit above the eyebrow and above the other one too, the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chinny chin chin. Now all that's left to do is lips. This is the CYO lipstick and liner in Too Clever by Half. Is that what it's called? I'm gonna use the lipstick part, and it's very moisturizing. This is a really nice like nude color. It actually like matches my lips like exactly. So it's like a My Lips But Better color, which I've been trying to find for so long, and this is literally the perfect color. And this is the final look, and I'm obsessed with it. Since summer's coming up, I feel like this will be one of my go-to looks for the summer. I just want to blind all them haters with this glow, and I just feel like it's so warm and bronzy and glowy, and I've just run out of adjectives at this point. So I'm gonna give you guys a little beauty guru montage because there's a hair in my mouth, because I guess that's what you're supposed to do. So roll the montage clips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. Shout out of the week is right here. If you want to be the next shout out of the week, make sure to hit that notification bell and comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!